Tonight, we dig deeper into a health alert about measles. There have been outbreaks in Texas and New Mexico.
And now, though not connected, there are cases of measles in New York City and in New Jersey. In fact, in Jersey, 3 members of the same family have been diagnosed with measles.
Now, if there's a similarity to all these cases, it's that none of the people anywhere who got it were vaccinated. Eyewitness News reporter Janice Yu live in Paramus with the latest on the case. Janice?
Hi there, guys. Well, the good news here in Bergen County is that health officials do believe all of the cases here have been contained. That's because all 3 belong to the same family and they were able to do contact tracing. But health officials say this could all be prevented if people just get their vaccinations. Several weeks after an unvaccinated child in Bergen County tested positive for measles, health officials now confirm 2 of the child's unvaccinated family members have also contracted the highly infectious disease.
I believe over 90% of the cases that we have, in the United States are actually from patients that are unvaccinated. So measles in itself can cause multiple problems that could be potentially lethal and fatal.
That was the case for an unvaccinated child in Texas who died from measles this week in a separate outbreak. Officials now say the child here in Bergen County visited 3 different medical facilities while infected. First, this Prompt MD urgent care in Fort Lee on February 8th. The next day, the child was confirmed to have measles at Englewood Hospital. The child was then transferred to Hackensack University Medical Center that same day and placed in an isolation room.
Somebody who's infected with measles can be transmitting it to another person 4 days before they even have the symptoms. And what is really problematic about measles and the spread is that it's an airborne disease, and so that it can exist in the air for 2 hours after somebody's been in a room.
Hackensack Meridian Health says all staff who came into contact with the child were vaccinated and no patients were directly exposed. Now, experts say no vaccine is foolproof, but it'll likely prevent someone from developing severe complications. And there is some good news for people who are unvaccinated and may have been exposed.
If you are infected, you can be vaccinated up to 72 hours after exposure, and that has beneficial effects.
Well, someone who has measles will have symptoms similar to a cold or a flu. So doctors say if you are unvaccinated and you believe you've been exposed to someone with measles or you're showing those symptoms, please call a doctor immediately. Live in Hackensack, Janice Yu, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.